So as you guys can see, we already took off both the front and the rear tires of the C8, and we're doing a full 3D scan on the C8 just to ensure perfect fitment for the wheels. We're gonna go ahead and do the 3-piece wheels for the C8 from the Vicrez collection. And once again, the C8, the C51 rear spoiler, it's already in pre-production. It's gonna be full. It's gonna be made full out of carbon fiber, and the steering wheel as well in pre-production.
I have to have a look here, see how the engineering works here in the wheel section. They use like the big caliper. This is the L2 package with the better, more braking experience. I mean, braking performance, and regarding to the traction, there's a little more traction to it.
And also we added like more flaps, more cards, just to ensure it keeps the paint protected. But with the wrap, that should be the case. Are you gonna lift it up a little bit more, or are you gonna leave it as is? As is, right?
Yeah. And also, if you look here at the tires, let me bring it here. It already comes with a staggered fitment. So in the front, they have like a smaller, in comparison to the rear, the tires are way smaller.
So the front, that's the front tires.
Yeah.
And over here, that one is the rear. So as you guys can see, the width of the front is definitely smaller. Weighs about 3 inches difference. No, more than 3. Holy shit. Let me see. Let's do a little better comparison.
This is about 12.
Wait, how much is that?
12. This is 10.
So that's 12.
And this is 10.
10. 10 for the front and 12 for the back.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, this is the rear, front. Rear, front. Here we have 10. Is it a 19 by 10 or what is it?
Yeah.
19 by 10, 21?
It should be around there. That's 21.
21, rear. 19?
20.
20?
Yeah.
So we have a 20, I'm sorry, 21, 20, 20 for the front, with 10, and rear 12. And for the 3-piece, we're gonna go
The same way.
the same specs, or are we gonna go a little bit wider? I think we could go about an inch wider. No, what do you think? I think we can go up to 13, just to get a little more grip on. So right now we're doing a little 3D scanning, so that data is going to be imported into a 3D application, and we're going to go ahead and design everything from scratch, along as the mods that are going to go into the
Rear.
Yeah, the rear, the windows, the side, the quarter loopers, the front. We're gonna do a lot of mods for the C8. So we're gonna go ahead and keep posting throughout the week a lot of more updates.
We'll probably make all the styles, all the designs that we're going.
Yeah, all the current designs from our Vicrez collection, they're gonna be made into 3-piece.
Maybe some.
But as for the
maybe some monoblocks.
Monoblocks as well, and they're gonna be made forged. Gonna be made forged aluminum. And once again, we're gonna keep posting updates throughout the week as we build the C8. So make sure to subscribe, follow us on our social media for all the good stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.